This video has given complete detailed information, and before applying read this requirement carefully for more information related to this requirement. The notification link has been given and join the Telegram channel to get job update so that you can keep getting all the daily job update.